as you guys are excited, I am excited too to unbox this particular black box of Nikon Z5 camera that has been sent across to me, particularly to see how it's gonna be utilized in my field of wedding photography. And trust me guys, I am very much excited to unbox this, and I'm sure you too would be. So I'm going to turn this around my side. On top of it, I see a lot of worthy products actually in it. So Nikon Z5 is definitely going to be very exciting. I'm just going to unbox the entire thing. What I see here is, of course, the user manuals that usually come along, and they are going to be pretty interesting. But basically, I've been a Nikon fan all over, and I've been using Nikon for so many years. What's going to be inside the user manual? Of course, I have the warranty card, and then I have the Nikon product and other places where you can actually get Nikon from, and another kind of earning points, which is also vital because once you are a family member, you get a lot of good offers from their side. Of course, then we have the warranty. We have the C-type cable here, which is very much useful while we're shooting for this wedding photography. Then we have many other things which I assume are so many that I'm going to put this thing across, and I'm going to try and pull out the most important part of Nikon Z5 that I have basically got it from Nikon and is going to be part of my family now. So what I see here is a very fantastic camera. Majorly all the manual and the settings of the buttons are as similar to any of your other Nikon cameras. So seems like a very steady camera, seems like a strong grip that I can get while I'm shooting. Pretty light too, which is one useful part for me while I'm shooting for the wedding pictures of the couple and the family, the wedding photography. What I find here is very useful is the tilt screen. You see it right there. You can actually tilt this entire screen and utilize it according to your preference, guys. This is fantastic because sometimes you actually need it according to your convenience while you're taking a shot, and you would want to actually have a vision of what you're clicking. The camera seems, the body seems to be very interesting. So guys, what I see here is basically the sensor, the main sensor that we have. Guys, this is a very new technology that has come up, which is the mirrorless camera, full frame mirrorless camera, giving you very unique and exclusive shots, particularly when you're shooting. What you see here is basically the slots which are very much useful for the mic, HDMI cable. You've got your particularly one slot that is useful for the C-type cable. So guys, what you get to see here is the most useful part. This slot particularly is for the two SD cards that you get to see here. Of course, a very good backup source for you. What I have used in Z7 and ZX is basically the XQD card, but then these two SD cards are going to be very much interesting because I get to back up more of my wedding pictures, and I really feel the lightness. Okay, so this is the entire body structure that I've basically introduced you guys to. Trust me, I am just gonna hit the ground, or waiting to hit the ground, with this beautiful piece. What we get to see here is, are you guys curious about it too? Because I definitely am. Okay, now this is a very useful part of the camera. I see the lens over here as it places beside me. So what I see here is the 24-50 lens, which is very useful altogether for all sort of shots that you're planning, be it the close-up shots, be it the far shots, and it solves my purpose completely. Definitely a very light lens. Altogether the kit becomes even much more lighter and even much more useful. Okay, now what we have here is the Z strap. Basically, this strap gets quite handy when you're doing wedding photography, and if you have to carry two cameras, which I usually do not prefer, but if in case you would want to use this, it's a very light. So Nikon Z5 has come up with a very good solution for all the wedding photographers. You have this battery right here, which is the Nikon EL15C battery. If you get to see this, guys, this battery has a unique purpose. Like while you're even shooting and your battery is completely discharged, you can charge it while you're taking the shot or while the camera is still on. So which is like a very useful thing. I believe battery needs to be charged while you're ongoing with your complete wedding photography shot. So what else do we have here? Of course, it's the cable that comes in utility to charge, put it on your charger, and you have the battery charger as well, similar to all the Nikon kits that you get. Apart from this, we have this SD card that has been given by Nikon, and it's a flash storage device useful for you guys to accumulate all your wedding photographs and place them out on one place. Okay, this makes it all an empty box, but trust me guys, I am very much excited to be a part of the Nikon family right from the day one, and I still am. And this is gonna be one of the next equipments that I am so eagerly excited to shoot with. So do let me know what's your feedback or what's your take on Nikon Z5 once you get to experience this beautiful baby, and I shall be looking forward to the comments below. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.